What do you get when machines take the place of your men on the battlefield? When a program decides which enemy target to take down first, before the human mind even senses a threat. When wars are won not only by wits and valor, but by the power of transformational defense solutions. You get the decisive edge. For over 30 years, one company has been providing the Indian Armed Forces with state-of-the-art defense solutions, giving them the strength for peace. As the rules of engagement change, so do solutions. L&T Defence is all set to take our armed forces to the next level. Digitalisation. Our digitalized defense solutions orchestrate both production efficiency and enhanced firepower while reducing potential casualties. Our fleets are ever ready thanks to predictive maintenance and repair. Virtual reality prepares soldiers for real combat situations quicker, while connected, men and machines tilt the odds towards mission successes in any theater of war. Globalization. We're taking Make in India to the next level. Whether it is defense solutions for land, sea, or air. Our indigenous platforms, weapon systems, sensors and more carry the hallmark of global excellence through technology partnerships with global majors. A supply chain that spans across countries and defense solutions provided to friendly nations across 2 continents. Customization. Every mission has a different need, and so do armed forces across the nations. We provide a range of platforms, weapon systems, and upgrade solutions that are customizable to meet any requirement in any country, from challenging terrain to harsh climatic conditions, from making obsolete systems contemporary to creating solutions to meet unique challenges. Our custom-built solutions provide the decisive edge in many different ways. Unmanned vehicles. The future of combat lies in operations controlled at an arm's length. L&T Defence is developing a range of unmanned vehicles, from robots that can defuse mines or survey combat situations, to aerial and underwater vehicles that can perform missions independently with stealth and accuracy, increasing mission success rates without jeopardizing the lives of our soldiers. From surveillance to strike, L&T's New Age Defense Solutions spans the complete gamut of operations across land, sea, and air. As technology paves the way towards a bold new future in defense solutions, we are on the front lines of this battle, transforming defense to deliver the decisive edge.